Two photos, taken just 37 seconds apart, one in Rustenburg, the other in KwaZulu-Natal. Now the question is simple. Did someone suddenly develop the power of teleportation? Or is this evidence about to raise serious questions?
Isithombe sokuqala sithathwe ke mhla ka-24 September ngo-2020, isikhathi ku-13:43:21. Then isithombe sesibili lesesibili sona naso sithathwe mhla ka-24 September 2020, isikhathi ku-13:43:58. Okusho ukuthi ke zishiyana ke ngemizuzwana njengabo 37 lethombe zombili.
Angikhulumi lona iphutha, ngizocela mina uprintele ikhoti ithombe ke ibambe ikhoti ibuka la madate. Ngicela uyiprintele.
I'm requesting, I'm not confused about the dates or making a mistake about the dates. I would just request that you print these pictures and you give them to the court so that the court will follow as we go on.
Ngoba lesi sithombe lesi esinye ngikhuluma ngaso mina nasi isithombe sasekhaya nasi 2020 09 24 13 43 58. Mawuqhatha sisithombe lesi usisa ngayo lesi sithombe lapho ufunda sona the same date it e1 le.
Because I'm looking at this picture that was taken from home. And it shows here the date is the 24th of September 2020 and the time is 13:43:58. When you take the same picture and then compare to the other picture, the first picture, the date is the same and the time.
Ngicela uprintele ithombe ikhoti zona zonke lezi thombe iphambi kwami uyinekhoti ufuna ikhoti mangikhuluma ibuke lento engikhulumayo.
Can you kindly just print all these pictures that I'm talking about, give them to the court as I give the explanation, the court will be following and looking at the pictures.
The photos are displayed there on the screen. As we put to you, Mr. Ntanzi, that the photos are taken seconds apart, 37 seconds apart.
Izithombe ke nazo ke ziyaboniswa khona lapha kumabona kude ngithi kodwa uthi umshutshisi afuna ukukhomba khona uthi ukubona ukuthi le thombe lezi ke zishiyana lephala nge-37 seconds.
Rustenburg to KZN izinto ezihlukene lezi.
And this is where things start becoming very interesting. The state is presenting two photographs that allegedly show movement between Rustenburg and KwaZulu-Natal. But the problem? The timestamps say the photos were taken only 37 seconds apart. Now, unless someone has invented a high-speed teleportation device that the public doesn't know about, this timeline raises serious questions. Is it the location data that needs explaining? Is it the timestamps? Or is the state once again pushing evidence that creates more confusion than clarity in a murder trial that desperately needs real answers? Advocate Baloyi seems determined to make this evidence fit the narrative. But Ntanzi appears calm, almost as if he knows that this timeline is not as simple as it sounds. And that's where things start getting uncomfortable for the state. Tell me what you think in the comments. And thank you for watching.